In this video, I will be explaining about the direction of this course so that all of you are clear about where we are heading. So this course will be focusing only on Power BI Desktop. We are not going to touch much on its cloud-based features. Note that you should have completed learning of our previous course on data analytics and visualizations using Microsoft Excel. This is because Power BI shares a lot of similarities with Microsoft Excel, and most of the concepts that you learn in Microsoft Excel course are relevant to this course. Power BI comes in various languages. Please feel free to choose whichever language that you are most comfortable with. Regarding Power BI Desktop version, this course is taught using the March 2021 version. If you are using this version, then you will be able to replicate the steps covered in this course. If you are using a slightly older version, you should also not face any issue in your learning. However, there is no guarantee if you are using a very old version. What about the content of this course? Well, it is about the same as our data analytics and visualizations using Microsoft Excel course. But the content of this course is very much diluted. In other words, we will go fast and will not cover topics on data model. Before we get our hands dirty, here are some warning messages to all learners. Like I said earlier, Power BI is still under development. Hence, some of its features may not work properly and new features may suddenly appear. If you are following this course on a newer version of the software, then the outlook and features of your software version may be different from those shown in this video. Hence, please bear with me.